Hello and welcome. At the moment I'm in a bit of a mess. I've got all this on the table. I've got my mitre saw. I have to keep moving around from one place to another place because it's homeless. It hasn't got a home, and I've recently set up my lathe, which is behind the camera at the moment. So I've now got to work out where to put this because I've moved a couple of bits around, and now I've got to make some storage for this and also somewhere for me mitre saw to live. I've got an idea. Stick around and we'll see what I can do. The material I'll be using is actually recycled material. I have a few sheets of recycled MDF, which we're going to be throwing in the skip. So they are a good size, so I might as well make use of them. And I've also got 2x4s for just basic. For what I need, it's going to be rough and ready, and it's recycled. So As you can see, I've built the two tables, and then I've mounted the mitre saw in between the two. I've levelled it so that it's level with both tops, and I've added a guide, and so when I put my work on there, I know it's going to be in line with that. So I could leave it like this, but I'm not going to. I have a small workshop, I need the space. If I leave it like this, it's going to build up stuff on it. So I need to use the space wisely. So I'm now going to add a shelf. So what that shelf is for the other tools that I need space for. Now I've got a sander and I've got a bandsaw that I need to put somewhere. Along with the mitre saw, I've been moving those around, and I think it's time where they should have their own home. So I'm going to now add another level. As you can see, it's turned out really good. I've got the mitre saw here, and it's just a case of pop it in and down. It's working. So it's actually left me with all this space up here, a little bit of storage underneath, and I've got a home for my mitre saw now. And I've got a couple of areas, extra workspace if I need to. With this one, maybe I could turn this into a router table, who knows. But it just gives me a few more options. I like the sound of a router table, but I could also put it up here as well. So I've got to have a think first, but I wasn't planning to do that, but it's an idea. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like the idea, leave a comment. If there's any ways you could actually see of improving it, then please let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Visit the website. I'm quite active on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm on all of those. So if you like, give us a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and I'll give. I almost did it! I almost made it through. I'm active. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next project. Bye!